It's Patrick from Pals, Nissan. They are great vehicles. You know, when you take a valve cover off of an engine, you can see a lot about an engine and how it's cared for. See the nice light gold color? That means that the engine has had the oil changed and it's been well maintained throughout its life. This vehicle has well over 100,000. It's approaching 150,000 miles on it. It developed a leak in the valve cover. And if you look at the camshaft, which is this part, and you look at the followers, which are here, and the bearings, everything has that light golden color. If the engine had not been maintained, you'd see a black coating, almost like charcoal or coke, because the oil wouldn't have been maintained. This car has had the oil changed in the proper time all of its life. It's been well cared for. It'll probably last another 100,000 miles without issue. We're just going to put a new gasket on it. That'll stop the leak. The customer will be happy and the engine will run just like it always has because the customer took care of it. If you have a Nissan, bring it to Pals. See you soon.